Hi, I'm Paul Smith and this is the Mini Recharge, take one. What a great thing to be able to take your favourite car and just turn it into a car which is completely correct for today's world. The Mini Recharge, fully electric. It's a car that was originally made in 1998. I did 1,500 of them. It was a Paul Smith Mini. We stripped everything out, showing all the welding marks. Didn't worry about that. It's got lovely recycled mats in it, recycled fabric for the chairs, obviously a bit of Paul Smith with a bright, inappropriate colour for the safety strap. This is a great detail here where you just use your phone and put your phone onto this magnet. You probably know I used to be a bike rider, racing cyclist, so I still love this tape. If it gets damaged, you can take it off and redo it. The blue originally, believe it or not, came from this shirt. Obviously this is faded in time, this shirt. Took some scissors and cut it off and I said, can I have the car in this colour please? So that's how the colour came about. The recharging cable is lime green. The two battery covers are lime green. So that's always what we did with Paul Smith. Classic with a twist. Lime green, like my shirt. There's always a little surprise somewhere. In terms of today, we all have to be very conscious about sustainability, and so making this car better for today's world is very important for me. See ya, bye.